Now potentiometer, the second application is to find the internal resistance of a cell. You know what internal resistance and all that? The resistance provided by the cell in a circuit is called internal resistance. How to determine that internal resistance of a cell using the potentiometer. So let's make the connections for that. Basic connections already set here. As I told you, the primary part will be always the same. Therefore, I am not going to change those things. Then, to determine the internal resistance of a cell, we have to consider a cell and high resistance, then galvanometer and joule. This is the basic connection for that one. And if you want to determine the internal resistance, we will be making a bypassing circuit with a resistance box across the EMF E1, whose internal resistance is to be determined. So definitely you are putting a key over here. Let this be K1 and this is K. This is very, very important. So this is the connection. This is a bypassing circuit across what you call the EMF, whose internal resistance is to be determined. Now, how to determine that? Let us see. You introduce the key over here. Set a current, definite current. Then press the jockey at A. Deflection goes to one side. B. Deflection goes to the other side. So connection is all right. Okay. Now to start the experiment, I fix the value of current here, a definite value of current. For that current, keeping this key open, I measure the balancing length for the EMF E1. Okay? That means this E1, or let us say, let's take that for the time being. Let it be E and this you take it as E1. Okay, for the time being. Now this E is included in the circuit when this key is open, and I move the jockey from A to B, and for this particular length, let us say L1, this key is getting balanced. That means EMF E balances across a length L. Now, without changing the current through the potentiometer wire, I introduce key K1 here. Now you can see that there is a definite amount of current flowing through this part. And this current will be continuously flowing through this part when this key K1 is closed. Okay? If you want to block this current through this part, you have to take out this key. Keep this part open. Otherwise, this will continue to flow. So when I put the key over here and I take a resistance R in this resistance box, a definite amount of current is flowing through this. That means that this EMF is now used in a circuit. When the EMF is used in a circuit, between the terminals, there will be terminal potential difference appear. That we know. So now across these two points, there will be terminal potential difference, and that terminal potential difference is now balancing by moving the jockey and for a particular name L2, suppose I say L2, when the jockey is here, that potential difference is getting balanced. Therefore, I can say terminal potential difference of the cell is balancing across L2. Alright? Now, you can find E by V, which is equal to L1 by L2, and from the equation, internal resistance R equal to E by V whole minus 1 into capital R. There is a formula like this for finding internal resistance, and you can put this value into this and get the value of internal resistance. Therefore, internal resistance R equal to L1 by L2 minus 1 into capital R. This is the formula for finding the internal resistance using potentiometer, where this capital R is the resistance in this resistance box. Okay, this is actually you are taking the formula straight away from the basic circuit theory, and from that or in that you will be substituting the value of E by V to this one. So this bypassing circuit is actually set here to get two conditions: one, EMF, and other terminal potential difference. Understand that when you make the connections, bypassing connection here, remember it is made there to get the terminal potential difference in the experiment. Right? Now, another thing, how to repeat the experiment. Repeating the experiment here in two different ways we can repeat. One, changing the current through the potentiometer wire. One. And in each case you find E and V balancing like L1 and L2, you can repeat it. Another method is that keep this current steady and EMF E balances with L1, that also will keep it steady. Now you can change the resistance in this resistance box as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 like that. You can get the different values for L2, referring to what? Resistance R. So you will be getting L1 constant but L2 different. So in each case you find the internal resistance with the L2 and R changing and find the average of those. That is another way to repeat the experiment. So this is how we are using potentiometer to determine the internal resistance of a cell.